On this unbelievably quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay for Lyft rides with Venmo in the Lyft app. First things first, I'm going to click the icon in the upper left-hand corner. Once I do, this menu is going to pop up, and in the middle, as you can see, we're going to click Payment. Then all the way down, we're going to click Add Payment Method. And once I do, there are a bunch of different options, from credit card or debit card, PayPal, etc. We're going to click Venmo. And once I do, it's going to say Lyft wants to open Venmo. And then once you do so, you're going to connect both apps, and then you're good to go. One last important thing I have to mention on this video is if you have multiple payment methods in Lyft, if let's say you have both a credit and debit card and Venmo and PayPal, etc., when you go to pay for a ride, if you do want to pay so with Venmo, hence the point of this video, make sure the payment method that is selected is Venmo, because sometimes Lyft might pick a random one. It might pick your most frequent payment method. It might pick a random default one. Whatever the case is, when you go to order that Lyft ride, just make sure that when you do so, the payment method it's specifically using is Venmo.